Hello everybody, just a quick one today. Who fancies chicken breast, stuffed chicken breast done in the air fryer? Nice and simple, loads of different variations in there. Put in what you want and season what you want. I'll show you what I'm going to do. Okay, this is my seasonings and my filling. This is what I'm having on mine. Obviously some mature cheddar. I've got some soft cheese. I've got a garlic and herb one, add a bit more flavour. A handful of spinach which I just diced up, chopped up and that's all. I've got some of these grilled peppers. If you don't have peppers, put something else in, but that's what I'm having. Some grilled peppers, and I just sliced them up a little bit more, that's all. I've got 1 teaspoon of garlic. I've got 2 teaspoons of paprika. I'm going to split that in half, which I'll show you in a minute. And a teaspoon each of salt and pepper. That's it really. And then my chicken breast obviously. So what we're going to do first, we're going to get everything, move all them out of the way, into a bowl. Nice and simple. Spinach in. Peppers in. I just took half a jar of them peppers. I don't know how much I'm going to need. I just took half a jar. Garlic in. Soft cheese. Yeah, it's just the Philadelphia stuff, innit? But it's the Aldi stuff. The Aldi's Philadelphia. That's all it is. Maybe half. Can always put more in if I need to. We'll see as we go. And some mature cheddar. And we're going to mix it all together. I've got to put a little bit of paprika in yet. Put I don't know, a couple of handfuls in, I suppose. Like that. And half of the paprika. Because I want the other half to put on top of the chicken. That's what I want it for. That'll about do us. And we'll give it all a mix. Probably have to get a spoon. We'll mix it all up and get it all incorporated. That's what we want to do. There we go. I haven't put any more cheese in. That'll about do us, I think. That's fine there. Alright, move that out of the way. Okay, 2 chicken breasts. We want to get them cut down the middle to make a little pocket, as you do. Just take your time. If you're anything like me, you'll always cut your fingers. You can always completely butterfly it if you want and flip it over. There you go. I'll do the one and then I can get on with the other then. I'm going to get some mixture in. Get it in, pack it in. Oh yes. Oh yes. Pack it right in we want. That's it, like that, look. I'll get on with the rest. There's the 2 of them, look at them, they look nice. I haven't got the other 2 to do yet for the lads. They're not quite as big as these. But I just thought I'd show you these and I can do the others off camera then. Now I haven't got no small toothpicks, I've only got a long one, so I've just cut them up a bit. I hope they're small enough, big enough, otherwise I'll have to do some more. We're just going to get a couple of them in there, just to hold it in. Doesn't matter if it goes out, it's going to be all part of the goodness. It's going to be all part of the goodness. When all that cheese melts and goes a bit gooey, and that's going to be delicious. pack it all in like that. That's it. Get in there. Look at it all. Ooh, yeah. Stuffed chicken breast. I say you can even wrap it with bacon if you want to. I'm not today. I'm having them like this. That's it. Get that in. That's the one. That's the one. Right, I'm going to get the air fryer warmed up, and I'm going to do the lads' ones while I'm waiting. Okay, air fryer's warmed up. There's the lads' ones. Look, they're only small. £6 for supposed to be big ones, but there's 2 big ones and the rest are tiny like that. Anyway, I got my paprika there. I'm going to put a little bit of oil in. And my salt and pepper. I'm going to give it a mix. Say use whatever seasoning you want, can't you? You know. Whatever you like or whatever you've got in, use. There you go, look. I'm just going to baste the top. Nice bit of baste on there. All the way on the top. You can do the underneath if you want. I'm not. Smelling delicious already, you know. Might have to put another pin in there, in this big one that I'm doing now. Another stick. Nice and simple food. And it go in the air fryer, I suppose, for about 20 minutes, 25 minutes till the chicken's done. Obviously these little ones are going to be done a lot quicker. But they're for the lads anyway, so you probably won't see them. But you'll see them 2 big ones, because these will come out first. There you go, look at them, beauties. Don't they look nice now, look? Oh yes. Right, into the air fryer, spin you round, and let's get them in. Put the big ones both at the end, and I'll get the little ones in the middle then, I suppose. Oh yes. Right, 20 minutes or 25 till they're done. Okay, that's been in about 8 minutes now, so it hasn't been in long. So I'm just going to have a bit of salad. So I've got some mixed leaf salad here. Get it in a bowl. It's all washed, ready to eat. Pile it all in. Get some of that greens, get some rabbit food in you. And some drizzle. This is delicious, this is absolutely delicious. So we're going to have a bit of that on there. And we'll give it a toss. That's the salad ready. Okay, it's been about 12 minutes now. No, it ain't. It's about 10 minutes. Let's have a look. I ain't opened it yet. Oh yes, looking nice. Looking nice. That's what I want. The gooiness coming out there. Delicious. Get it all. Yeah, not done yet. Nowhere near done. You can tell. Oh. Okay, they are done. The lads were done about 5 minutes ago. He's had his. They smell absolutely delicious. I'm telling you that much. Cheese is boiling up though. There it is. Maybe you can see it properly at the minute. Hot, 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 hot. Turn that off. I'll bring you down, give you a closer look. What do you think then? It looks lovely, doesn't it? And they smell gorgeous. Look at that. Yes. Right, let's get up the table. Got it all down my top now. I fancy wearing a white top when I'm doing something like this. Never mind. Let me show you. Quite a closer look. That's eating hers. She doesn't know what's in it. I haven't told her. Look at that. Look at that. Chicken. All that. Look at it all. That cheese. Golden cheese. And peppers. And it's got cream cheese in. Okay. That's probably what you can smell when you said smelly feet. Yeah. There's the salad. put some of that drizzle on bab for you anyway.
Okay.
And potato, look at them potato, look at that little one I've got, look. Where is it there? Look at it, look at the size of it. Pathetic. Yeah, and then potatoes are just from them Aldi ones that you put in the microwave. But all in all, if you get a thumbnail. No, a bit blurred. I don't know why my phone does that, you know.
Mine does it.
I don't know. Anyway. Let's have a go. What do you think? You tried it yet, the chicken?
Yeah, I
tried a little bit.
Yeah.
Let's go down the middle and see. And show you. I should bring you down really, shouldn't I? Let me bring you down so I can show you before I cut it all open. Trying to do without this falling over. It's boiling up that cheesy though, so I can't really pick it up. Get it in there so you can see. There it is, look. It's all in the taste though, isn't it? It's all in the taste. Let's have a go. Get a bit of them peppers. Spinach. Bit of cheese, bit of everything. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You can taste that cream cheese, so I don't know whether that'll be put enough for you. That's lovely. I've got a stick stuck left in there, look. Oh yeah. It's a bit more. Tough. Oh, just blowing that camera is. That's really nice. I like that. What do you think, sweetheart?
I do think it's nice.
Yeah. It's the cream cheese overpowering for you. A little bit.
And just, but you know what, I'm not with cream
Yeah.
cheese. But it's nice.
It is nice. It is nice, isn't it?
Yeah. It just tastes really nice.
Well, there we go. Something nice and simple. I'm going to go and eat it before it's just cold. Yeah, there we go. As I say, I'm the old food guy. What's it called? Stuffed chicken breast air fryer. Put in your own ingredients. Do what you want. Well, put with bacon if you want. I didn't want it today. I wanted something like that. Yeah, until the next time. I'll see you later. Bye-bye. I'm going to mark it 8 out of 10. Probably because a bit too much cream cheese. Or should I just put some more cheddar in there? Apart from that, it's lovely. What do you mark it, sweetheart?
I was going to go 7.5.
Going to go 7.5.
Yeah, but I do think it's
Yeah,
it's nice.
just because of the cream cheese. A bit overpowering.
Only a,
Yeah, it's just a little bit overpowering compared to the other. If I'd have got the measurements right with the other cheese, it'd probably been better. But there we go. See you later. Bye-bye.